Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now I know it looks like my hair isn't done because my hair isn't done. I've done the back and most of it. So today I will be doing the Freetress Nigerian Twist 24-inch pre-stretch. And this hair is really pretty and the color is OT30. So I opened up 4 packs and I still got a good chunk of the 4th pack. So I'm just going to do a demonstration on how to do that. That's why I left the top undone. But so this is what the hair looks like. As you can see, it's very long and how there's a pre-loop at the top. And then these are the ends. As you can see, so the ends aren't bad. The ends are pretty good, but they're still kind of long for me. I don't really like all that hair. I might cut it to like right here maybe. But yeah guys, so all you need is the hair and a crochet needle. I've done, let's see, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, about 12 braids going straight back. So it's a very simple braid pattern. I did not take a picture of my braid pattern, but you can just Google a braid pattern, and if it has 12 braids going straight back, then it'll be fine. There's a lot of videos on how to braid. So I don't braid my own hair. My mom does. So that's why I did not show you guys how I braided my hair. But so yeah, I'm just going to do a little demonstration real quick. And I might fast forward this. So I'm going to start. And then I got my mirror in front of me. So that's what I'm looking at. Okay, so I guess I'll start right here. So all you guys want to do, I'm going to put my head down a little bit so you guys can see. Just put the crochet needle through here just like this. Hope you guys can see that. Put it through just like that. And then attach the loop. That's just like that. And then you want to close the latch, pull it through. And then you just want to put it back through the latch, pull it through, and just like that. So yeah, very simple, very easy. So I'm going to do that one more time. So I'm just going to, and make sure you want to leave gaps. So just put it through the braid, close the latch, and then put it through the latch again. Oops, I messed up. Alright, so yeah guys, it might take a couple tries, but once you do it for a while, it will get very easy. So just like that. And then pull it through. Just like that. See how easy and how simple that was? So now I'm just going to continue to do that, so I'll probably speed the video up. Hey guys, so I am back. I am done. This took me about 3 hours, I think. 3 to 4 hours. Well, maybe just 3 hours. But I used just about 5 packs. This is what I had left out the 5 pack, and I'm probably going to use this to go fill in some gaps in the back. So this is how it looks. It doesn't feel heavy at all. It just feels really tight. So yeah. And you can part it any kind of way, like this. I don't get this big old thing out. You can part it sideways, something like this. So something like that, maybe. So this is probably how I would wear it, or the other side part, or you can wear it the other way like this, or you can even just wear it straight back like that. I know it looks like a heel, it's just because I need to just lay these down a little bit more like that, so it looks a lot flatter. So yeah, I still have a couple gaps in here. Let me go ahead and fill this in because I will definitely forget. So again guys, it's very lightweight, very easy. If you would go to the salon and have somebody do your hair, they would charge you what, $80, which is kind of high, and then you still have to pay for the hair. Oh, I didn't say where I got the hair from. I got the hair from glamourchoice.com. The hair is $5.99 a pack, and it's actually $6.99 a pack if you get like an ombre color like this. So yeah, you can just get like one color, like a 1 or 1B, and it'd be $5.99. Shipping was $10, which is high. So I got a 5 pack, $6.99 a pack. That's what, $35 plus $10 shipping. So it was like $45. But I think I had like a discount back then, so I'm pretty sure I got it for $40, which isn't that bad. And then I did it myself, so very cheap, very affordable. I like to get hair because I feel like hair does more for me. Like curly short hair is like, I think that's perfect for me. Braids and twists is just kind of okay. I put these in because I'm getting tired of wearing hair because they don't last long. They last 2 to 3 weeks and they get matted up and all tangled. So I got tired of doing my hair every morning anyway, so let me just take that out. And then I put these in. The last hair I had was the Freetress Deep Wave. No, I'm sorry, not Freetress. I'm sorry, I had Afri Natural Tiara Braid. That's the hair that I just had in my last couple of videos, and that hair was terrible. That hair was like $1.99 a pack. I got it on sale for like $10 shipping, I think. And that hair didn't last me but 2 weeks because it matted up. It was very pretty at the start, but it did mat up. So yeah, I'll probably just wear my hair. I don't have no rubber bands on me right now, but I'll probably just wear it like this, just like that, for a while, because it is very tight. Because the braids aren't even that tight. It just, when you put these twists in, it's kind of tight. So if you want to get your hair like this, I would definitely recommend getting 5 packs. Some people did 4 packs, but if you have a bigger head like me and you want to cover all the gaps, I would definitely get 5 packs, if not 6 packs, because I'm probably going to use all of this to fill in some gaps. But yeah guys, I really like this hair. It doesn't smell. Again, these are the ends, which aren't too bad, but I'm not 100% pleased with them. I don't think these will unravel. I'm going to hope they don't unravel. Again, the color is OT30, and this is a 24-inch, and it is the Freetress Nigerian Crochet pre-stretch. So again, very lightweight, very easy to put in. It's going to take you 3 hours maybe, or 4, depending on if you struggle a lot. But it was very easy. So as you can see, they look like regular twists. They don't even look like crochet twists at all. So they look very natural. But yeah, I really like this hair, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more videos. Go and hit that like button, that subscribe button. Leave a comment down in the comment section. Do you like me with twists like this? I'll probably wear it to the side like that. Do you like me with twists like these, braids, or do you like me with my curly hair or straight hair, or what color hair do you like? Do you want me to get, should I do more videos of me doing my hair? I don't do videos that often because everybody has hair videos, so I don't even bother to do those anymore. But if you want me to do more hair videos, just leave a comment, let me know, and I do my best to do more hair videos. But thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.